20 Fun Facts about the Human Brain. Number 20. 60% of the human brain is made of fat. Not only does that make it the fattiest organ in the human body, but these fatty acids are crucial for your brain's performance. Make sure you're fueling it appropriately with healthy, brain-boosting nutrients. Number 19. Your brain isn't fully formed until age 25. Brain development begins from the back of the brain and works its way to the front. Therefore, your frontal lobes, which control planning and reasoning, are the last to strengthen and structure connections. Number 18. Your brain's storage capacity is considered virtually unlimited. Research suggests the human brain consists of about 86 billion neurons. Each neuron forms connections to other neurons, which could add up to 1 quadrillion, 1,000 trillion, connections. Over time, these neurons can combine, increasing storage capacity. However, in Alzheimer's disease, for example, many neurons can become damaged and stop working, particularly affecting memory. Number 17. It's a myth that you only use 10% of your brain. You actually use all of it. Yes, even when you are sleeping. Neurologists confirm that your brain is always active. Number 16. A brain freeze is really a sphenopalatine ganglioneuralgia. This pain occurs when cold hits the receptors in the outer covering of the brain, called the meninges. The cold creates a dilation and contraction of arteries, causing a rapid onset headache. Number 15. The human brain can generate about 23 watts of power, enough to power a light bulb. All that power calls for some much-needed rest. Adequate sleep helps maintain the pathways in your brain. Additionally, sleep deprivation can increase the buildup of a protein in your brain that is linked to Alzheimer's disease. Number 14. Headaches are caused by a chemical reaction in your brain combined with the muscles and nerves of your neck and head. Number 13. The human brain contains over 100 billion neurons. This is about the same as the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. These are connected by trillions of connections but only take up about 10% of your brain. Number 12. The body below your neck greatly impacts what's above it. Body health is related to brain health. What you put into your stomach will affect your brain's performance, hence the term brain food. Staying hydrated is really important. If you're dehydrated by just 2%, you may start to notice decreased ability in focus, memory, and cognition. As more evidence that water loss from the body affects the brain, 90 minutes of sweating can age your brain as much as 1 year, by shrinking it. Number 11. Sleep is imperative. Your body and brain require rest in order to function properly. Judgment, memory, and reaction time can all be impaired when someone does not have enough sleep. This is due to the fact that sleep deprivation kills brain cells. Proper sleep is also essential for memory retention. During sleep, the brain accumulates all the memories from the day. Number 10. Reading out loud uses different brain circuits than reading silently. Reading aloud promotes brain development. Children first learn to read by speaking words out loud. Once that knowledge is established, then they learn to read to themselves. It's indeed one of the strange facts about the brain because we usually teach our children to read and talk politely. But to promote brain development in your child, you should read and talk aloud in front of them. Number 9. Exercise is just as good for your brain as it is for your body. Aerobic exercise raises your heart rate and increases blood flow to your brain. As your increased breathing pumps more oxygen into your bloodstream, more oxygen is delivered to your brain. This leads to neurogenesis, or the production of neurons, in certain parts of your brain that control memory and thinking. Neurogenesis increases brain volume, and this cognitive reserve is believed to help buffer against the effects of dementia. It has been noted that exercise promotes the production of neurotrophins, leading to greater brain plasticity, and therefore, better memory and learning. In addition to neurotrophins, exercise also results in an increase in neurotransmitters in the brain, specifically serotonin and norepinephrine, which boost information processing and mood. Number 8. Your brain is a random thought generator. In 2005, the National Science Foundation published an article regarding research about human thoughts per day. The average person has about 12,000 to 60,000 thoughts per day. Of those, 95% are exactly the same repetitive thoughts as the day before, and about 80% are negative. Number 7. Alcohol affects your brain in ways that include blurred vision, slurred speaking, an unsteady walk, and more. These usually disappear once you become sober again. However, if you drink often for long periods of time, there is evidence that alcohol can affect your brain permanently and not reverse once you become sober again. Long-term effects include memory issues and some reduced cognitive function. Number 6. The brain can't feel pain. There are no pain receptors in the brain itself. But the meninges, coverings around the brain, periosteum, coverings on the bones, and the scalp all have pain receptors. Surgery can be done on the brain, and technically the brain does not feel that pain. Number 5. Short-term memory lasts about 20 to 30 seconds. This has to do with your brain's capacity for holding small amounts of information in the active mind. The brain keeps this information in an available state for easy access, but only does so for about a minute and a half. Most people hold memory for numbers around 7 seconds, and memory for letters around 9 seconds. In addition, the brain can store up to 7 digits in its working memory. That is why the telephone numbers in the United States are 7 digits long. Number 4. While humans have the largest brains proportional to body weight of all animals, we don't have the biggest brains. That distinction belongs to sperm whales with 17-pound brains. Number 3. 25% of the body's cholesterol resides within the brain. Cholesterol is an integral part of every brain cell. Without adequate cholesterol, brain cells die. Number 2. Your brain can process an image that your eyes have seen for as little as 13 milliseconds, less time than it takes for you to blink. Number 1. Your brain needs a constant supply of oxygen. As little as 5 minutes without oxygen can cause some brain cells to die, leading to severe brain damage.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share Osum Sisters YouTube channel for more videos.